Very happy morning to all my dear children. Welcome to the new academic session. Welcome to standard 3rd. I am your computer teacher. My name is Divya Durgani. Today we will learn our first chapter. We will just do the introduction. Your chapter number 1, that is operating system. Today we will move to part 1 of this chapter. We will study the chapter with the help of a small video. Let's watch the video. Watch the video very carefully, dear children.
Operating system. Computer system is mainly a combination of two components, hardware, software.
Now, dear children, first of all, computer is a mainly combination of two components. What are the two components? Hardware and software. Now, what is hardware and what is software? Let us see.
Hardware refers to the physical parts of a computer that we can touch, see and feel. The CPU cabinet, which contains the CPU, monitor, keyboard, mouse, printer, scanner and microphone are examples of computer hardware. Software refers to a set of instructions, programs given to a computer in order to perform some tasks on a computer. Some popular softwares are MS Windows, MS Office, KTurtle and Adobe Photoshop. An operating system is a type of software.
Now, dear children, first of all, what is hardware? The things, the parts that we can see, touch and feel. Like this is a pen. You can see it, you can touch it and you can feel it as well. So, it will be called a hardware. Now, in computer, like we are having our body parts. Okay, we can feel our hands. Okay, we can touch them. We can see them. So, they all are our body parts. In the same way, in computer, the hardware parts are such as CPU. The CPU cabinet which contains the CPU, monitor, keyboard, mouse, printer, scanner, microphone. These all are the examples of computer hardware. The things which we can see, touch and feel. Now, what is software? Refers to a set of instructions given to a computer to perform some task on a computer. Like now I am giving you a video lesson. Okay. Then after watching the video you are solving the worksheet. So I am giving you certain set of instructions to solve a worksheet. Yes, I am giving you the explanation so that you can solve the worksheet. In the same way, software is a set of instruction given to the computer to perform some task. What are the examples? Popular software are MS Windows, MS Office, KTurtle, Adobe Photoshop and operating system is also a software. Understood? You have to learn the examples of both hardware and software as well. Are you clear with the meaning of hardware and software? Yes? Let's see forward.
Adobe Photoshop. An operating system is a type of software. Operating system. A computer has a special set of programs which manages all the jobs of a computer and makes it run. This is known as operating system. An operating system helps a user to give an input to the computer and to get an output from the computer. A computer cannot function without an operating system. To understand how an operating system works, the computer help and make.
Now, dear children, now first of all, what is an operating system? An operating system is a special set of program that manages all the jobs of the computer and makes it run. Like dear children, we are having our brains. Okay, हमारे brains क्या करते हैं? सारे thinking process करते हैं, वो manage करते हैं हमारे जो भी works होते हैं day to day life के. Then he runs also, and according to our brain we do our task. In the same way, operating system is like a brain for the computer. It manages all the jobs of the computer and then makes the computer run according to it. Understood? Now what we were having next, now helps the user to give an input. An operating user helps a user to give an input. Now first of all we give an input to the computer, then we generate an output from the computer. How we can give an input and generate an output? This can be done with the help of an operating system. Understood? A computer cannot function without an operating system.
From the computer, a computer cannot function without an operating system. To understand how an operating system works, let us review how a computer works. Input, keyboard. Process, CPU. Output, monitor.
Now, how an operating system works, हम input कैसे देते हैं कंप्यूटर में? With the help of a keyboard. We type some set of instruction, we do some task with the help of a keyboard. Okay? Then, who is the processor? CPU. CPU processes it, and then on the monitor we are getting the output. That is the result we are getting on the monitor. Understood?
Different kinds of software take inputs from the user, pass them on to the CPU for processing, and then help to display the result or output. An operating system helps to make this exchange of input and output between the input device, the CPU, and the output device possible.
Now, as I have earlier told you, with the help of a keyboard, we give an input, then the CPU processes it, and then we get the result on the monitor. It is written the same.
Microsoft Windows 10. Microsoft Windows 10 is one of the most popular operating systems. When you switch on a computer having the Windows 10 operating system, the operating system starts automatically. First, it displays the lock screen. To remove it, do one of the following. Click anywhere on the screen using the mouse, or press any key on the keyboard.
Now, Microsoft Windows 10 is also a software. It is a software. One of the most popular operating systems. ये क्या है? एक operating system है. It is in software also because we can't see it, we can't touch it, and we can't feel it. So it is an operating system as well. When you switch on the computer, if you are having the computer who is having the Microsoft Windows 10 software, then you can see the screen will start with the lock screen. This type of screen will be available when you will switch on your computer or laptop. To start, to display, what you have to do, to remove it, what you have to do, click anywhere on the screen using the mouse, or press any key on the keyboard. You can also use the keyboard, or else you can use the mouse as well.
Next, the sign-in screen appears. The list of user accounts appears on the bottom left of the screen. If you do not have a Microsoft account, a user account can be created with a username and a password, or a PIN, or a picture password. You can use any of the three sign-in options.
Now,
Password.
if you are having,
a Microsoft account,
if you are also setting a password as well, when you click on the sign screen, when you click on the lock screen, the password screen will appear. If you are having a PIN password or a picture password, you have to insert there.
a user account can be created with a username and a password, or a PIN, or a picture password. You can use any of the three sign-in options: password, PIN, picture password.
Now, we can use any three sign-in option, that is PIN, password or picture password. Dear children, I hope this much topic is very clear to you. Now let's do a small worksheet based on this video lesson. This is your worksheet based on chapter 1 part 1. The first question is fill in the blanks. In that the first one is dash and dash are the two components of computer system. We have studied, yes, what were the two components? The hardware and the software. Dash refers to the physical parts of the computer, the parts which we can see, touch, feel. You have to write the term name. Dash and dash are the examples of software. Any two examples of software you can write. Then, monitor and keyboard are the examples of dash. Dash helps the user to give an input to the computer and get an output from the computer. This we have studied. I referred it with brain. जो हमारे पास जैसे brains हैं, we work, yes, and then we generate an output, yes. So you know that term very well. You have to just write it. Dash is a set of instructions given to the computer in order to perform some task on the computer. Next question. Find the odd one out. Now, in the first one, 3 examples of hardware are given to you. You have to find out the odd one out. The fourth one will be a software name. Simultaneously, in the second one, here 4 software names are given to you. 1 hardware will be there. So you have to find that odd one out and you have to write down in the blank given here. Dear children, I hope you are very much clear with this. We will meet next time with something more interesting in this chapter. Till then, bye-bye. God bless you all.